Hello, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, you're most welcome. Please do subscribe. Today's video is a pretty short one and we'll be making Zobo drink, popularly known as Sorrel Drink, so keep watching. For this recipe, you need little or no ingredients at all, to be honest. But then you need pineapple, you need ginger, you need orange, you need cinnamon stick, you need water and sugar, which can be optional, to be honest. So as you can see, I've peeled my pineapple and I'll blend the pineapple to act as a sweetener. I'm going to blend it together with ginger. This is just to give it a bit of minty flavor sort of. So I'm going to blend it to a paste and then get a pot and add my hibiscus flower, obviously washed because you don't want sand and some other dirt in your drink. So yeah, I'm going to add that, mix all of those together and bring it to a boil. Basically, you cannot boil it without water, guys. Add water to it because you need water. Okay, so I'm going to bring it to a boil and I let it boil for about 20 minutes. You guys, for this recipe, the truth is when I was making this video, I didn't have cinnamon stick, I didn't have oranges, but trust me, if you add it, it's going to take your drink to a whole new level. So yeah, this is the pot. So I'm going to add the hibiscus to it, add my pineapple peel. I also go ahead and add the pineapple paste that I already blended that you guys saw earlier. I'm sorry for the shaky camera as well. And then add water and boil for 20 minutes and then let it cool down. So after it cools down, before it cools down, just make sure that you sieve it through and yeah, allow it to cool down and add sugar if you want. But if you feel like the pineapple is enough as a sweetener, then there's no need for you to add sugar to it, and then you can serve this with ice. So yeah, let me tell you guys a little story about how I fell in love with Zobo. Zobo is very popular in West Africa, to be honest, and I fell in love with it back in high school when I would go to school early in the morning. In the barracks there was this lady that used to sell blocked one, like really blocked one. So I look forward to it when I'm going to school. So my allowance as of that time, I will go and buy like 3 packs of Zobo. It's usually packaged in like plastic bags, and then you will see me struggling to drink it. Sometimes my uniform will even get like soaked with it, like stains all over, but I still just wanted it. Okay, so Zobo is one nice drink especially when it's chilled, you guys. When it's really chilled, that is the best time to take it, for you to like really feel the flavor and enjoy your drink. So yeah, that is it. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, guys. Make sure to subscribe. Like, I need the subscriptions, and please share my video. This is a very short video, I know. Yes, don't judge me. But anyways, as you guys can see, I'm going to use my hand and squeeze it because it is my Zobo. I am sorry. So I'm going to squeeze it to get all those juices out of it. Yes, it's my Zobo. Judge me. That's your business if you want to judge me. But anyways, yeah, that's it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Make sure to subscribe, make sure to like and share this video, and whenever you make it, feel free to tag me on Instagram as well. I'm on Instagram at Dinma Jane, Dinma.Jane. Please follow me there, guys. Follow me on Instagram. I can be fun sometimes. Yeah, and pretty much that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.